Hi guys, good evening to everyone. You see this what happened this night, morning or evening, depends on the time. Uh, this crash on Bitcoin, which happened today, I will tell you why this happened. This happened because I'm 150% sure that Tesla's or Musk's account was hacked. You saw that posts about banning Bitcoin as a payment method. That was not the text tweet. It was the screenshot or something like that. So I'm million% sure that the account was hacked. They did it on purpose to clean the market of the shorters and to make the space for big investors and companies to come into the market as in the best way they can. And it's 150%. I promise you guys, don't worry about this dump. Just this is a best option, best time to buy now. On dip, just buy now and hold on for as long as you can. Just just believe in Bitcoin and everything will be fine. I promise you guys, 100%. Don't worry.